Hello, this is King of Review, and we're going to use the zero product property to solve this equation. Now this is a little bit tricky because it's not your typical equation. xy minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. But actually, this equation you can actually factor. Let's think about how we can factor this. Well, we have hints because this says xy. So that means that this value and that value has to be x and y. And also, we have to make a negative 6, and we have a negative 2 and a 3 in the middle, which means that here, we're going to have a negative 2 and a 3 so that we can make that negative 6. Well, we want to make a negative 2x, right? So that means that we have to have our negative 2 over here. And we want to make a 3y. So that means that we've got to have our 3 over here. And that equals 0. So now we just have to think about, well, when is this equal to 0? When is that equal to 0? And we know that x plus 3 is equal to 0 when x is equal to negative 3. And y minus 2 is equal to 0 when y is equal to 2. And so this is our answer. Which means that option A is our answer. Well, let's look at our other options. Option B says plus or minus 3 and plus or minus 2. Well, one of those is right, but we aren't going to have x squares or y squares in our equation over here. So we know that these are wrong. What about C? It says x minus 2 and y is equal to 3. Well, this is just a typical case where the answers got switched. So this is wrong. What about D? It says x equals 2 and y equals 3. Again, the answers are switched, and on top of that, it's missing a negative. It's missing the negative 3. So this is wrong as well. And that's why the answer to this question is going to be A.